Today we're featuring a 2015 certified Honda Civic LX. It's got 54,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a two-owner car. It's urban titanium metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. It is equipped with a rear backup camera. Okay, and right here we do see a little wrinkle right here in the body line on the trunk lid here. I'll kind of roll the camera here so you can see it. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks to be in good shape here. Alright, this is a 2015, 54,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. Let's take a look on the inside. Alright, got the beige and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Alright, it does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat is also in good shape. Just a small little stain right over there on the seat. Really small, you can hardly notice it. Just want to point that out to you. Console here in the middle. It's going to have your, let's see, that's your USB there. Yeah, it's got your USB port in here. It is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate controls. AM/FM CD player. It's going to have your display screen right there with the mileage and whatnot, but it'll have your backup camera there. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, and there's your econ button there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, now that we've got it started, I was going to go ahead and show you the mileage. We've got 54,773 miles on it. Okay, it's got your digital speedometer there. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. AM/FM CD player, and then again your climate control area. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels there, just a small little stain right here on the door panel handle. Cloth back here looks good. Okay, just a few little places back here that need some attention maybe. A little small rip in the seat right there, but it's been fixed. Okay, and these look like 2 small cigarette burns, okay, but they've been fixed. Just want to point that out to you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Trunk looks good. Got the plastic liner back here, protection liner. Plenty of room back here. I got the spare wheel. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels. Got the nice plastic hubcaps on there. Tires are in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, we got 2015 certified Honda Civic LX, 54,000 miles on it. Okay, it's got a little scratch in the back seat, a little wrinkle in the body line on the trunk lid there, but it will be priced aggressively, will be priced competitively, okay, and it will be fairly priced. It is a certified unit, got a clean Carfax, 2-owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.